generation, we are living a digital. As an I student graduate, I bring a strong to create in every project I made. With the help of my skills, I help you to stand out with unique brand identity. I can craft a unique brand identity from logos, color palettes, style guides, and marketing material. I build a responsive functional website using my knowledge about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I prioritize in my user experience to designing a website that are visually appealing and easy to navigate. I'm a strong communicator and team player. I assure you that your project runs smoothly and meets your expectations.